Hey, welcome to my channel. This is part 2 of my birthday cake ice cream series, the birthday cake ice cream chocolate sandwich. Part 1 is the birthday cake parfait, and part 3 is the birthday cake strawberry banana smoothie. Links are on the description below. You know those sweet cravings that hit really hard and are also very hard to resist? Well, instead of trying to resist, you can make this delicious 30-second sandwich that's only gonna be 300 calories, and it's gonna be way more filling than your regular ice cream sandwich that is not as healthy for you. You're only going to need a few ingredients, and if you're following my birthday cake ice cream series, you're going to notice that you're essentially going to use a lot of the same ingredients for all the desserts. So for this birthday cake ice cream sandwich, you're gonna need chocolate flavored rice cakes, rainbow sprinkles, the halo top birthday cake ice cream. This is the main ingredient, and non-fat plain or Greek yogurt if you want more protein. And not to mention that you're going to need a ziplock bag, preferably the 1-gallon bag. So the first step is to create the middle filling / birthday cake soft serve. For one sandwich, you need half a pint of ice cream and a quarter cup of yogurt. You may find that this amount can be a little too much for the sandwich, so if you prefer, you can always save some of the soft serve for later and lower the already low calorie number in the sandwich. Now for the soft serve mix, all you do is add the half a pint of ice cream and quarter cup of yogurt in a blender and blend for 30 seconds. Then place it in your Ziploc bag and put it in the freezer. Now this is the same mix from the previous video, which was a parfait, because you literally need the same amount of mix for both desserts. All you do is double the ingredients, so instead of using half a pint of ice cream, you use 1 pint. Instead of using a quarter cup of yogurt, you use half a cup. So the mix right here is the other half from the other video. And like I said in the previous video, the soft serve needs to be in the freezer for at least 90 minutes, or you can just have it in the freezer and use it whenever. If it's there for more than 3 hours, then when you do take it out, then just give it about 15 minutes so that the soft serve can soften just a little bit. Once the soft serve is ready, all you do is just put the mix in between the rice cakes. Then you put the sandwich in the freezer for 5 or 10 minutes, just so the cakes can get a little bit of that coldness and so that the mix can also stick to the cakes a little bit better. After that, add a few more sprinkles and you're done. Enjoy.